If there's one thing video editors do constantly, it's cut clips. Fortunately, we can speed this up with keyboard shortcuts. Right now, we have to go up to the blade tool, cut our clip, then again, and then go up to the pointer tool, and then select our new clip, and right click, and select ripple delete. Yeah, those steps are gonna add up over time. So, instead of using the blade tool ever again, just hit Command B on your keyboard. There we go. But if we use our new razor shortcut, Command B, we still need to select the clip and ripple delete. No. Use Shift Command open bracket to ripple delete everything from your playhead to the previous cut. And if you want to ripple delete everything from your playhead to the next cut, use the other bracket, that Shift Command closed bracket. Now, in case you do ever need to ripple delete manually, please don't use the right-click menu, just hold Shift Delete. Now keep in mind that all the keyboard shortcuts are configurable up here. Some have suggested that you use the letter S instead of Command B, or Q instead of Shift Command open bracket, and W instead of Shift Command closed bracket. While it is really up to personal preference, remember that overriding the default keyboard shortcuts can be confusing when you need help from a tutorial or reference manual. While you're upping your Davinci Resolve editing skills, consider supporting the channel with a thumbs up below and subscribe to keep learning. Help other editors out by sharing this video on your social media, and have a blessed day.